This is Chef Ana Garcia from La Villa Bonita Culinary Vacations. If you are looking for a quick and dirty recipe, you, my friend, have come to the wrong place. These videos are an opportunity to escape for a few moments and transport yourself to my kitchen. We are here to soothe you with a restoring tonic of laughter, stiff drinks, and cooking slowly, very slowly. My husband and my children are driving me nuts. And this is as much escape for me as it is for you.
Help me.
We are making a video a day during these turbulent times because of help from you in the form of future reservations, deposits, and donations. Your help is critical right now. When the economy suffers, we know that not everybody can chip in at the moment. If it's not easy, don't worry about it, just enjoy the show. But if you can help, La Villa Bonita needs your money now more than ever. Please go to lavillabonita.com for more information. As always, I'm grateful for your time and generosity. And remember, we will travel again. Let's plan your next trip with me to La Villa Bonita and let's get cooking.